Jordanbikes, and today on our dyno we've got a 2017 ZX10R. This one's having a crappy rich exhaust and decat fitted, and it's in for a full ECU remap and a custom fuel map, and we've also enabled the auto blipper. So we're going to just do the final run and we'll show you what we've achieved with it. Okay.
Right, so when I started mapping I had 181.5 brake horsepower, that's at the rear wheel. Now, after a full ECU remap, we've got 196, so just over 196, so a gain of 15 brake horsepower. That's all at the rear wheel, that's top end. Mid-range is 122, 137, so a gain of 17 mid-range. Massively different, so much better bike, accelerates better. Fueling wise, it's absolutely spot on now. Fueling really out, obviously with the decat and the exhaust on. So yeah, it should be a lot better. We've also enabled the auto blip, so it's now got clutch up and down shifts. Just taking a few bits off that it didn't need, and it's 100 times better. So if you want to know what yours doing, please give us a call.